The power of the cross. Saturday of the 5th week of Lent. The cross of Christ restores justice. Ask, do I see myself as the child of God? Seek. Focus on the crucified Christ as you meet him throughout the day. Stand up for your brother or sister, always appealing to the brother or sister who might seek to harm him or her. Knock. Meditate on Micah, chapter 2, verses 12 through 13. I will surely gather all of you, O Jacob. I will gather the remnant of Israel. I will set them together like sheep in a fold, like a flock in its pasture. A noisy multitude of men. He who opens the breach will go up before them. They will break through and pass the gate, going out by it. Their king will pass on before them, the Lord at their head. Micah prophesies that the Lord will lead his sheep out of their captivity. In the violent journey of Christ out of the walled city of Jerusalem, we see a literal fulfillment of this prophecy. Are you one of the followers of Jesus on his way of the cross? Transform your life. Realize that you are a child of God, reborn in baptism when you shared in the death and resurrection of Jesus. Live out your baptism, dying to yourself whenever you find yourself tempted to be a child of something other than the one true God.